if you're experiencing issues with Cyberpunk 2077's multiplayer mode, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Cyberpunk 2077 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Go to your game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. and check for any available updates. Download and install them if necessary. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on a PC, use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or contacting your ISP. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall Cyberpunk 2077. This can resolve persistent issues that may not be fixed by other troubleshooting methods. If you follow these steps and still encounter problems, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance. Good luck and enjoy your gaming experience.